Hello children, welcome to Keralakam Memorial CBSE School online classes. In our previous class, I have completed the lesson number 10 and even we solved the exercise of lesson days, months and the years. And today let us start the new lesson light and shadow. And I sent the PDF of exercise of 10th lesson. I hope you all have observed it and you have copied in your fair book. Yes? If not, just still PDF is there in WhatsApp group. So open it and write your fair book as well as textbook. Today let us start the new lesson light and shadow. In this lesson what we are going to learn is, let us learn about how is a shadow formed. How shadow will form, what objects are needed for this, that we will learn here. Then length of a shadow. Remember, observe the things given below. Tick, correct the picture that gives us light. Torch, yes, it gives us light. Sun gives us light. Light is also, tube light will give us light. Candles also will give us light. Water will not give the light. And the comb is also will not give the light. So here in the torch you tick, sun also, tube light also, candles also. This don't tick and this also don't tick. Next, the sun is a big ball of hot gases. We know about this in the previous lesson only. We have studied sun is made of the hot gases. So that he is very big ball and very hot. He is made of, sun is made of hot gases. The sun is a big ball of hot gases. It is many times bigger than the earth. So whatever the size of the earth is there, no? Many times bigger than the earth, the sun is having his size. So size of the sun is many times bigger than the planet earth. It gives us heat and light. We know very well earth planet gets light and heat from the star sun. The sunlight helps us see objects during the day. We cannot see in the dark. See, because of sunlight, we can observe the things around us. In the night, everywhere it will be very dark. There will not be any sunrises in the night, so that we cannot see anything in the dark. So, sun is the very big ball made of hot gases. And earth gets light and heat from the sun. Okay, and the daytime we can observe the everything because of light present from the sun. Night, in the dark we cannot see anything. Have you ever noticed a dark patch on the ground when you stand in the sun? If you stand in front of the sun, just you look at your back, there will be a dark patch of your body structure. That is known as shadow. It also moves when you move. If you face to the light source present in front of you, just behind you there will be a dark patch like your body structure. It moves along with you wherever you go. Yes? And it also moves when you move, it is your shadow. This is nothing but your shadow. Just I will show you. Here is a light source. Suppose sun is rising here. You are standing in front of the sun. Just behind here, your shadow will be patch of dark. It will be on the ground. Okay, your shadow it is. So that will be available because of the light source, it will be available just behind you on the ground, and it will move as you move. How you will move? It is also moving. This is known as your shadow. Most shadows shows the shape of the object. See, if light sources opposite, if we are standing, our shadow will come. If there is any tree, if there is a tree, its shadow will be available down. Yes, it will be very dark. So which type of objects will face towards the light object? Like that objects are like that shaped shadows will be available. How is a shadow formed? A shadow is formed when the path of light is blocked by an object. A shadow is formed on the opposite side of the source of light. It can be formed on the ground, a wall, or any other objects. Suppose a shadow is formed when the path of light is blocked by any objects. So here it is the path of light. Here is a light source. This is the path of light. If any material or any object come on the opposite side of its path, something I will take a pillar. Okay, one pillar, one electrical pillar. So this is the light source. It is light path. Opposite there is an object. So it will get a shadow on the ground. Suppose here is one wall or any material. So shadow will be falling on the wall. Okay. This is known as shadow. A shadow is formed when the path of light is blocked by an object. A shadow is formed on the opposite side of the source of light. If source of light is here, shadow will be opposite side. Here it will be. Suppose the source of light is here, the shadow will be this side. So source is here. This is the source. Here is the shadow. It means opposite side of the light source shadow will form. It can be formed on the ground, a wall, or any other objects. At night, a shadow is formed by the moonlight or by an electric bulb or a lamp. So light source, it means not only sun. So light source like bulbs, torch, any light material, light emitting materials. So that light source will be there. No, opposite of that we will get the shadows. Let us make some interesting shadows on the wall using our hands. You know very well about this. If we hold our two hands like this, and opposite if we keep any light material, and this side is a wall, means what type of shape our hand will be there, that type of shadows we will get on the wall. See, they have done many things here. See, they kept their fingers like this. It has shown like a bird on the wall. Here they kept their hands like this, fingers, and it has made like a rabbit on the wall. And it is like a deer, rabbit, bird, deer. So many type of shapes of shadows can available on the wall. Time to answer. Match the shadow with its object. First one, there is a boy. His shadow is sheep. Option C. Then bicycle, its shadow is E. Then dog, its shadow is A. Bag, shadow is B. Then sofa and D. D is the shadow. Shadow will be always in the dark color. Once again I will read this lesson. Just keep your fingers. Lesson number 11. Light and shadow. Let us learn about how is a shadow formed. Length of a shadow. The sun is a big ball of hot gases. It is many times bigger than the earth. It gives us heat and light. The sunlight helps us see objects during the day. We cannot see in the dark. Have you ever noticed a dark patch on the ground when you stand in the sun? It also moves when you move. It is your shadow. Most shadows show the shape of the object. How is a shadow formed? A shadow is formed when the path of light is blocked by an object. A shadow is formed on the opposite side of the source of light. It can be formed on the ground, a wall or any other objects. At night, a shadow is formed by the moonlight or by an electric bulb or a lamp. Let's go to length of a shadow. Shadows changes in length. Shadow of an object in the sun changes in the length at different times of the day. Shadows are long in the morning and evening and shortest at noon. See how the length of the shadows will be. Suppose sun is rising here in the east. If sun is rising in the morning, so there is a coconut tree here. Okay. Here is the coconut tree. Sun is rising in the east and the coconut tree. It is the morning. So morning's shadows will be little bigger than the original object. Okay, this is the original object. It is the shadow. It will be little bigger, longer than the present. And in the evening what will happen? Opposite side of the light source shadow will form. Suppose evening, sun setting. Here is the sun, and where will be the shadow? Shadow will be here will be the shadow, and this time also what will be there? Shadows will be little longer. Morning and the evening shadows will be little long, but afternoon when the sun is here or here, what will happen? Shadows will be very short. Okay, like this. If sun is little this side, shadow will be here and it will be very small. If exactly sun is here, shadow will be available here only, very small size. Okay, see they have given some pictures also here. Sun is in the morning, girl is here and the tree is here, the shadow is little long. Sun is in afternoon, shadows are at the center with a small size. Here it is evening, shadows again these have become long. Shadows changes in length. Shadow of an object in the sun changes in length at different times of the day. Shadows are long in the morning and evening and shortest at noon. Do you know? In olden days, there were no watches to know the time. People used to know the time by looking at the shadow of different objects around them at different times of the day. So in our olden days, people they had not have any watches, clocks and all to observe the timings. So they used to have the shadows measurement. If shadow is too long, sunlight is this side, they will think like it's morning. Suppose shadow has become very short at the path at the near of us, sun is at the right of opposite at the straight, then they will feel it as it is afternoon, oh madhyana, evening. That all things they will come to know, they would come to know because of shadows. Okay, time to answer. Draw the shadows of these objects. Ball is here, its shadow will be like this. Then flower shadow, book shadow and water bottle shadow you have to draw. Okay, shadow, a dark shape seen on the surface when an object comes between the surface and a source of light. That is known as shadow. Now I know the sun gives us heat and light. A shadow is formed when an object comes in the way of light. A shadow is formed on the opposite side of the light source. Shadows formed by the sun are long in the morning and the evening, while short during noon. This all we came to know. Tick the right option. When are longer shadows formed? Evening, afternoon, evening. Which one will form a shadow? Cat, glass window. Which one will form a shadow? Glass window. What will be glass window? No, cat will form the shadow. What will be the shape of a shadow formed? A dark patch, dark outline of the object, dark patch. The shadow of an object is formed on which side of the light source? Same side, opposite side. It will be formed at the opposite side. Fill in the blanks. The sun is a ball of hot gases. First one is hot gases. We get light from the sun during daytime. Sun is the answer. A shadow is formed on the opposite side of the light source. Opposite is the answer. A shadow is formed when something comes in the way of light. Light is the answer. A shadow is shortest at noon. Shortest is the answer. First one is hot gases. Second one is sun. Third one is opposite. Fourth one is light. Fifth one is shortest. Match the following. Sun, heat and light. Night, electric bulb. Shadow, dark patch. Noon time, short shadow. Once again, sun is heat and light. Night, electric bulb. Shadow, dark patch. Noon time is short shadow. Answer the following questions. When is a shadow formed? What is a shadow? How is the sun helpful to us? When is the length of shadow shortest? These are all question and answers. I will give you a PDF. There everything will be written. You just copy that from the PDF to your EVS fair book. I hope you will do this and read the lesson again and again. Okay? If you read again and again, and then only you will be perfect to read the words which is given in the lesson, and then you will understand about the lesson. Okay? This is again I am telling you, read the lessons again and again, and even while I will be reading, you just keep your finger where I am reading and try to read along with me. Okay? Then only you will become perfect and the lesson will understand by you. Okay? I hope you will do this. Thank you. Complete your fair.